The double-layer glazed and trapezoidal roof roll forming machine is the result of meticulous engineering and design expertise. Its robust frame and modular construction ensures stability, longevity, and ease of maintenance. Engineers have meticulously integrated advanced materials and components to create a machine that can withstand the rigors of continuous high-volume production, delivering exceptional performance over its operational lifespan. The double-layer glazed and trapezoidal roof roll forming machine represents a paradigm shift in roofing technology. Its fusion of cutting-edge engineering, hybrid profile flexibility, precision manufacturing, high production efficiency, enhanced aesthetics, and technological sustainability positions it at the forefront of roofing innovation. As architectural designs become more intricate and construction projects demand superior performance, this machine redefines what is possible in roofing material production. The double-layer glazed and trapezoidal roof roll forming machine not only elevates the roofing industry but also paves the way for a future where roofing solutions seamlessly blend form and function,